Hi, I'm Chef Alan with Global Sugar Art with my new 2-minute tips and tricks. And my tip this week is going to be about using our Wedding White Cake Mix. This has been an extremely popular product for us. We get a lot of great reviews on it, and I'm really happy to see that. The smallest bag comes 20 ounces. The average cake mix in the store is about 14 to 16 ounces. So this gives you an additional 4 ounces, so you get a really nice size cake, or 24 full-size cupcakes. It's a very generous size mix. On the back of the larger bags, this is the 2.5 and this is the 5-pound. It does break it down, so if you're not going to use the whole bag, it gives you the directions how to make like a single cake, or how to make like double that amount, or how to use the whole bag. So it does break it down for you. All it requires is oil and water. The eggs are already in the mix, so you don't have to worry about having fresh eggs in the house. One of the tips I love to give about this mix is you can substitute the oil with butter, and that gives it a nice homemade flavor. It gives you a finer grain cake, which is really nice. For 1/3 cup oil, you would substitute 1/3 cup butter plus 1 additional tablespoon. And that's because butter is not 100% fat like oil is, or shortening. It's about 85% fat. So that extra tablespoon just increases the fat content, so you have a moisture cake. Lastly, when you're baking these cakes on 2-inch pans, fill them about half full, about 325 degrees in the oven. On deep pans, fill them about 2/3 full. Use a heating rod in the center so they cook evenly throughout the cake. And you want to cook that low and slow, the bottom of the oven, or the bottom third of the oven, at about 300 degrees. I hope you try these cake mixes. They're fantastic. And remember, the best deals are when you shop direct at globalsugarart.com. Thanks for watching.